Mastering healthy eustress in dog training.
1. Discover the key to engaging training sessions. Ever feel like your dog loses interest during training? You might be missing that sweet spot where challenges are just right. In this dog training video, you'll uncover the secrets of balanced challenges that keep your dog excited and eager to learn.
A. How can you pinpoint the perfect level of challenge for your dog?
Picture training sessions where your dog is consistently motivated and enthusiastic, making steady progress with every step.
2. Become a stress management pro.
Do you know how much stress is too much for your dog? Understanding and managing stress is crucial for their happiness and success in training. We'll teach you how to monitor and adjust your dog's stress levels to keep them in the optimal learning zone.
A. What simple tools can help you track your dog's stress accurately?
Imagine having the confidence to know exactly when your dog needs a break and when they're ready to take on more, ensuring they stay healthy and happy.
3. Maximize your dog's potential with flow and recovery.
Training isn't just about the work, it's also about how your dog rests and prepares for the next session. Learn the importance of focus and flow, and discover effective recovery techniques that keep your dog ready and raring to go.
A. What are the best strategies to ensure your dog gets into the zone and recovers like a champ?
Think about how satisfying it will be to see your dog fully engaged in training and then rejuvenating perfectly, making each session more productive and enjoyable. Watch this video to unlock your furry friend's full potential and make every training session a rewarding experience.
Embracing healthy eustress in dog training.
Hello everyone, I'm Lori, founder of Coaching Canine Companions of Rhode Island. Today we're diving into an intriguing and transformative aspect of dog training, healthy eustress. You might be wondering, what on earth is eustress? Well, it's the positive kind of stress that can actually enhance your dog's training experience and overall well-being. Intrigued? Let's explore how this works and how you can harness it to bring out the best in your furry friend.
1. Utilizing hermetic stress. Balanced challenge to skills ratio.
Have you ever noticed that your dog seems to thrive when they're just slightly challenged? This is hermetic stress in action, a balanced challenge to skills ratio that pushes them just enough to grow but not enough to overwhelm them. Think of it as the sweet spot in training where your dog is engaged and excited.
A. How can you find this perfect balance for your dog?
Together, we will uncover specific techniques to identify and maintain this balance. Imagine training sessions where your dog is eager, motivated, and progressing steadily. It's all about adjusting the difficulty of tasks in line with your dog's current abilities.
2. Monitoring allostatic load. Understanding stress load.
Our dogs, like us, have a stress threshold. This cumulative stress is known as allostatic load. Recognizing and managing this load is crucial in maintaining your dog's health and happiness. Too much stress can lead to burnout and behavioral issues, while too little might result in boredom and stagnation.
A. How can you effectively measure and manage your dog's stress load?
Together, we will delve into practical methods for monitoring allostatic load, ensuring your dog stays in that optimal zone where eustress thrives. Picture yourself equipped with the knowledge to gauge your dog's stress levels accurately and adjust their training accordingly.
3. The final push. Achieving breakthroughs.
Sometimes, reaching a new milestone requires a final push, a bit more effort to break through barriers. This stage can be exhilarating and rewarding, but it needs to be handled with care to avoid tipping into distress.
A. What are the signs that your dog is ready for this final push, and how can you support them through it?
We'll discuss the indicators that your dog is primed for a breakthrough and how to guide them through this critical phase, turning challenges into triumphs. Imagine celebrating new achievements together, knowing you've handled the push with finesse.
4. Focus and flow. The zen of dog training.
When your dog is fully engaged and focused, they enter a state of flow, a harmonious blend of concentration and enjoyment. Achieving this state can make training sessions incredibly productive and fulfilling for both you and your dog.
A. How can you create an environment that fosters this state of flow?
Together, we will explore techniques to enhance your dog's focus, creating a seamless and enjoyable training experience. Envision training sessions where your dog is not just learning but thriving, deeply immersed in the process.
5. Recovery. the essential aftercare.
Just as important as the training itself is the recovery period. Dogs need time to process and recuperate, ensuring they remain healthy and eager for future sessions. Recovery can be both active and passive, each serving a unique purpose.
A. What are the best practices for active and passive recovery?
Together, we will break down effective recovery strategies, from gentle exercise to quiet relaxation. Picture a balanced routine that keeps your dog energized and ready for the next adventure.
A. Active recovery. Engaging in light activities that promote circulation and relaxation. B. Passive recovery. Providing quiet, restful environments for your dog to unwind completely. Conclusion.
Understanding and implementing healthy eustress in dog training can transform your approach and deepen your bond with your canine companion. Remember, it's about finding that delicate balance that keeps your dog challenged yet comfortable, engaged, but not overwhelmed.
Be sure to check out our comprehensive dog behavior training program below. You'll be glad you did.